Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it is it's a little unconventional, you know. I'm in my car not doing like a coffee review, and I don't have any makeup on whatsoever. I just checked the mailbox and I was so excited and I wanted to show y'all something. But you know, I want to let my face breathe today because I am going to be in a wedding tomorrow, and so I'm just doing a lot of skin prep today. I have done some serums and I have done some moisturizers and some oils, you know, because I have really oily skin, so I'm just trying to make sure my skin is on its best behavior tomorrow, especially because I'm going to have to pretty much put on foundation and wear it God knows how many hours. I don't even know, but I just need it to work and hold up and look good in pictures. So we're doing tomorrow. But anyway, so I just checked the mailbox and I just wanted to check in with y'all before I go in and open it because I was so excited. It just came in the mailbox today, and look at the little box. It's got a little ghost on it, but it's my Jeffree Star mystery box and I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and open it and I'll see you guys in just a minute. Oh my gosh, guys, I got so distracted that I came inside and took a shower and I totally forgot to finish filming my Jeffree Star unboxing box. So, hi everybody. If you're new here, my name is Jessica, and if you're not new, hey, welcome back and thanks for hanging out with me again. So I had just got that out of the mailbox today and I totally forgot to finish filming this video. So, and y'all have to just forgive me. My best friend's getting married tomorrow, and it's crazy. Stop texting me right now, y'all. Just a minute. Turn, not vibrate. Mute. Thank you so much. Right now, we will not be disturbed. Okay, so I have literally got down here. Where's my scissors? Scissors. Nope. It's not working either. Okay. Well, that side didn't want to work. Come here. Aha. There we go. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside. Alright, and I have not looked at any spoilers, even though I really wanted to. But I'm excited to see what's in this. This feels like a palette. It's probably like this highlighter palette. But I'm excited, but I really want to check out these lipsticks that are in here. Oh, you get 3. Okay, wait a minute. We've got, what's this? This one is the exclusive for Halloween. Okay, this is a Velour Liquid Lip. Now, I do not have any of his Velour Liquid Lips. And I'm sorry ahead of time, y'all. I don't have any makeup on, so this is going to be kind of hard to probably look at me and take me seriously because I don't have any makeup on. But since my best friend's getting married tomorrow, I am letting my skin breathe because I know I'm going to be in some heavy-duty makeup tomorrow pretty much all day. So my skin needs a break, and I am just moisturizing and hydrating and redoing my toners and doing some soft cleansers and some masks. And y'all may think that's a whole bunch, but you know what? My skin loves it. I gotta figure out how to get into this thing. Shake well before use. I never knew that. It actually says on the back, shake well before use. This is the shade Soul Sucker. It looks like it's black with some glitter in it. Oh, black with orange glitter in it. Y'all look at that. Oh. Oh, let me shake. It says shake before use. Shake. Oh, it comes out gorgeous. Let's put it on our hand. Oh, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I don't want to lift it up. Look at that. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Is that not beautiful? Look at that shimmer. It is gold flakes. Oh, yes. That is beautiful. Beautiful. What is my other color over here? Y'all, we're going to look crazy, but I'm about to put it on. Let's see. Oh, it feels so moisturizing. Definitely needs a liner. I'm making a hot mess over here. Well, maybe there's a learning curve. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. And it's just a liquid lip, right? Maybe it's supposed to be a topper? I don't know, I may have to play with it some more. First impressions, though, I expected more. I really did, out of the formula of it. You can still see my lip through it. Kind of was bleeding down here a little bit. And again, I don't have a liner on, so take that, you know, into the whole spiel of things. And I have been doing a whole lot of lip treatments today, so might not be the best time, but let's try one more coat. I'm going to give, like I would give anything, the best shot. Let's give it another shot. Second coat did better. Still I'm having some bleeding right here. And I haven't blotted it together because I'm going to do the other lip on the top. So that's why I'm trying not to get the black on the top. But look at that. Tell me your thoughts. Leave it in the comments below. Tell me your thoughts. Can't quit playing with it. I'm excited to have a Jeffree Star anything, to be quite honest. You know, I only own one product of his, and that's the Thirsty Palette, and I really love it. I own none of the lipsticks, so this is new to me. And of course, the very first one that I get is an exclusive, and I'm just not sure if I'm doing it right. So just bear with me, guys. Okay, so the next one is, also says shake well before use. It is First Class. It looks greenish gold, like an olive gold. Let's check that out. Oh, that's pretty. That looks gold. I like a good gold. I don't ever really wear gold, but who says I can't start, right? Let's try it on. Got some black in there. Off the bat, this one already feels better than the first one. I don't feel like it's bleeding like the other one was. Oh yeah, that one went on good. I got the little thing in there. Yeah, the gold one went on a lot better. I like it. All right. Oh, now we have a bullet. I've never tried one of his bullets either. Now, obviously, it's not shake well before use or anything. But this is, ooh, brown sugar. Okay, let's open her up. How do I get into you? Oh, I'm just going to break you out of that. Oh, now that's beautiful. Look at that. I mean, look how pretty all this together. Like, isn't that just beautiful? All right, so this is my little packaging of my bullet. What are you? Ooh. So this is just like a gold brown shimmer with some gold flakes in it. I'm gonna put it on my hand. That would be beautiful over just a normal lipstick. Oh, I love it. I doubt it does anything over this. The black did not come off on my lipstick, though. That's a good thing. Look at that. Y'all, I'm all kinds of messy. Hold on, let me check something here. I have an Estee Lauder one here that this reminds me of. See, this is the Estee Lauder that has some gold flakes in it. I just want to see. Nope, that's pink with gold. This is just gold. Okay. Not trying to make this about anybody else, but I was just checking something because it reminded me of it. But anyway, so that is the Jeffree Star Bullet and Brown Sugar, and I think that's beautiful. Yay. So I know I'll be using this. This, I'm not sure when I'll be using, but I'm going to do something with it. And last but not least, the one that I really want to check. I would love to have one of these highlighters if I could. I'd love to have another eyeshadow palette if I could. Shut the front door, y'all. It is the Mini Jawbreaker palette. I shit you not. Are you kidding me right now? This thing's probably like $30 by itself, and the whole box went for $40. Shut up. Look how gorgeous that is. Wouldn't that be a fun little thumbnail to have 2 different colored lips going on in it? Oh, this is stunning. Stunning. Look at that. Let me turn it this way so y'all can actually read them. Look at that. Oh. Hold on. You know we're going to have to do some swatches. All right. So top row, double scoop, orange crush, and foreplay. Right there. All right. So we're going to do double scoop, orange crush, foreplay. Look at those. All right, next row, we're doing, if I can get my finger to do right, oral. Oh my gosh, can I please play with you? Purple punch and slice. All right, so oral. A little bit chunky on the beginning. Oh, but it blends out like butter. That's oral. All right, purple punch. Oh, purple punch. All right, and then I had slice on this hand. Look. Oh my gosh. All right, so bottom row is bubblegum, bite me, and hot fudge. All right, so bubblegum, bite me. Well, that one was a little chunky, but one more swipe and it just moves right out. Look how pigmented that damn purple is. Holy crap. All right, and hot fudge. Wow. That one was a little bit, maybe I didn't do the swatch right. Just one tap in. Nope, it's buildable. Hot fudge. Holy crap, y'all. Look at that. I'm so excited. So excited. Look, y'all, I don't do a whole lot of swatches because swatches on my hands and arms don't really tell me a whole lot about my eyeballs, but I figured that y'all would really like it. But me personally, any swatches done on arms and hands, yes, they're beneficial to a degree, but that's not the same skin that you have on your eyeballs, okay? So just always remember that, if you would please, for me. And I'm going to go and take this lipstick off and do another lip scrub. Just because, you know, like I said, I'm nourishing my face today. But y'all, thank y'all for hanging out with me during my Jeffree Star Premium Box unboxing. It was $40 and I got on there. It went live at 1 o'clock. I got on there at 1:06. I had to wait until like 1:20 to purchase it because I was in line. But it was well worth it. I cannot believe that I have this mini jawbreaker in my hands right now. And y'all best believe I'm going to go play with it. So y'all have a good day. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I'll catch you guys soon.